everyone, welcome back to Plant and Body by Design. My name is Mario and today I'm going to showcase to you some of my plant collections called Alocasia. Alright, so anyway, Alocasia plants are the family of the Arisaea family, and also they are also members of the aroid family. So they are rhizomatous or tuberous plants, wild perennial plants. They are beautiful. There are trivia to it. To me, they are whimsical, and they are related to that Jack and the Beanstalk story, where that kid, fought for his life from that giant. He took those risks, but eventually received some rewards from doing that. All right. So please maybe review those stories about Jack and the Beanstalk. Anyway, these plants are related to that story because these plants, to me, they are whimsical. This one that I have over here, one of them is the purple sword. Look at this plant. They're beautiful and they are like a sword to me. All right. And if you look at the back of the leaves, they are purplish leaves and they have long leaves. Okay. All right. And another one over here is called the Alocasia Ivory Coast. Okay. And if you look at the leaves of this Alocasia, it has that whitish on the veins. You could notice the white linings on the veins of the leaves of this plant. And also, if you look at the stalks or the stems of this plant, it has this pinkish color to it. So to me, this is a good collection to have. Okay. Another one that I have over here is called Sarian, Alocasia Sarian. Look at the leaves of this plant. They are beautiful, okay? And they are long, okay? It will eventually the leaves will become big, huge, and the stems also, okay, will become big. So anyway, this is Alocasia. They are normally from Southeast Asia, and this Alocasia Sarian is from the Philippines, and the name plant author named Zach B. Sarian. So they name after his name, okay? Because this is a cross between Zebrina. So I have a Zebrina variety over here. Look at this Zebrina plant, and if you notice that the stalk, the stem of this plant, it has that color, okay, that stripes color. They're beautiful. This is the Zebrina variety, okay. So again, this Sarian is a mixture of this plant, the Alocasia zebrina, and then mixed with Alocasia fredic. So so they mix it to have a new cultivar called Sarian. This is Sarian. Isn't that pretty? Because this plant, if you look at the leaves, it has that on the veins of it, it is green leaves, okay, and you could see the veins, the color of the veins, it's very eminent, okay. All right, I like this plant. Okay, this is Alocasia Sarian. And then the front of me over here, this plant is Calibra variety, okay. That's the Calibra Alocasia, and they grow up to sometimes, they said up to 6 to 11 feet height, okay. That's huge, right? And then the leaves also can be up to 5 feet wide. Wow, isn't that huge? That is Calibra. And then I have here, on this side is the wind tea. And if you look at the leaves of this wind tea, look at this. It's like has a bronze color in it, purplish color. These are beautiful. And look at the form of the leaves. They're like a whimsical, okay? So that coincides with that Jack and the Beanstalk story. And then over here in front is the regal shield. Anyway, this plant is not so happy because I didn't meet the light requirements, okay? I got this since November of last year, and I lost some of the leaves because I didn't put into that bright light. But anyway, don't worry, this plant is not dead yet. So especially that the spring is around us, and also summer is coming, so this plant can regrow back, okay, and it will provide new leaves, okay. All right, and then on that side I have Colocasia, okay, and that's Colocasia elena. And if you look at the leaves of that plant, I'll go there, okay. So this is Colocasia elena, and it has that lime color of the leaves. They're beautiful colors, okay. All right. So anyway, this other one here, the purple sword, also sometimes called Lauterbachia, okay. Here is the purple sword or Lauterbachia, okay. Anyway, they are beautiful. So I recommend to you plant lovers out there to maybe try these collections like this that I have, okay. All right, and then another one over here are called the Alocasia. These are the Taro plant, okay. This is a Taro tuber, okay, and this is ready to be planted on the ground, okay. I just wrote this down to you. These are the edible forms of Alocasia, okay. They are called the taro root, and the Oriental people loves this to eat. I love this kind of plant, okay. They're very edible, okay. And also some of these Alocasias also the leaves of these plants can also eaten as a vegetable. So what they do, they dry them, the leaves of those kind of variety of that plant, and then once it's dried up, they put coconut milk to it to cook it, and then they will add some meat like pork or shrimp or something like that. So most of these plants are really edible, okay. All right, so that's the interesting part of this Alocasia, because they are so whimsical, and they are part of the story of the Jack and the Beanstalk story, and also this plant, the Calibra, if you're into that forest floor and when there's a heavy rain, you can be protected by these leaves. That's why I call it so whimsical, because of that too. All right, and what else? Okay, so again, I love these plants. Make sure you follow the bright light requirements of these plants. All right, and you can also plant them outside when there's no more frost, and you can plant them outdoors, okay. As a matter of fact, I have one of this in my yard right now, and they survive from the elements of the cold weather like snow, but they survive from those elements. So it's too bad that I wasn't able to bring it to you and showcase to you, because the pot is so heavy to lift it and bring it indoors. Okay. Anyway, maybe let's get some story about these alocasia plants. So I said they're trivial and whimsical plants. So anyway, the story that we learned from the Jack and the Beanstalk is that these plants can give us that encouragement to fight the trials and tribulations of life. We can conquer them, okay? So this is the message about these plants, that we can take the risks and be victorious in our life if we take those opportunities to fight those trials and tribulations of life. All right, I hope that you enjoyed this episode, and if you like, please like and subscribe. Hope to see you next time. Bye bye.